Nakaharap ni Poy Poy Actubang OG Mavs Dayo sa playoffs ng MIGBL. Intense at dikit lang din ang laban. Unang suga pa ni Poy Poy tapalagad kay Richard Velchez. Di nagpapauli si Boss Malupiton sa puntusan. Prince Kim Moya tumira ng buzzer beater Darna layup. Ganda rin ang aggression nila Bards at Padi. Nostalgia Dayo feels. Nag-init naman si Nem sa fourth quarter. Nagkapisikalan din sila ni Poy Poy at naimintes ni Actubang dalawang game tying possession. Natalo ang Cash Prince. Shoutout sa mga nag-react, comment and share ng ating video. Panoorin natin ang highlights ng laban. I-like and share mo lang ang ating video and mag-subscribe sa ating YouTube.
So Poy Poy, bigay kay Joel Malupiton. And now Poy Poy Actub with a power move, blocked by Richard Belch with a sidestep, still by Joshua Roque. Now Richard Belches libre sa ilalim. Roque, no good, rebound by Jomar Santos. So Velasco. Now Jomar Santos at empty street. Medyo malamig pa. And now Joel Rabadera with Supo. And J-Mark. Now Carlo Velasco with a sidestep. Talagang yung tira nila ng OG Dayo. Now 10 Baarte, dire-diretso, walang bumarang. JR Baarte. Nakalimutan nata nila na may JR Baarte doon sa side. And J-Mark. Now Carlo Lastimosa. Another veterans PBA, Carlo Lastimosa. Carl Baclay, no good. Rebound by CJ. Pass to Carl. Weber stay up ni Carl. Substitution na pala. Andun na si Moya. Now Moya long. Marvin at DJ Ulsen na lasinggero. Malyari. Now John Manggio to Joshua Brinas. Joshua. Tatawagan si John Manggio. Ni John Manggio. Now Chester Serrao set for the first time sa ating second corner. Now Bam Lopez attempting his two. Lopez attempting his three, no good. Oh, what a steal by Joel. Stilan niya si Richard Belches. 3:37. Now Cash Prince to Christian Pajarito. Kick out to Bam Lopez. Bam Lopez attempting his three. Bam Lopez 2 points. 36-38. Now Christian Pajarito. And this time error pass galing kay Joel Rabanera. And now Dem De La Cruz dire-diretso sa basket. With a 8 second shot clock. Now Bam Lopez with a long bomb 3. Grabe yung shooting ng Bam Lopez.
Manood sa 1x Sports ng kahit anong basketball live broadcast gamit ang ating promo code na Notch. I-scan mo lamang ang ating QR code.
And Frank Iloca again. Meron tayong bagong muka sa ating third quarter. Si 3-point shot. Makakasama niya si Poy Poy Actub, Frank Iloca, Bam Lopez. And now Warren Bonifacio with a power move. Kick out to Poy Poy. Poy Poy with a power layup. Poy Poy is good. And now si Joshua Roque to Jomar Santos. Dito sa ating third quarter. Now Cash Prince. Awin na agad yung tira ni Jomar Santos. And now Joshua Roque binawi. Bam breaking a 3, step back. Bam Lopez trip. Nem. Now J-Mark Palyari. J-Mark Palyari. Step back 3. J-Mark Palyari. 14 seconds on the shot clock para sa Aling Mamens. Now JR Barde. No long pass for Joel. To Christian Pajarito. Now Bam Lopez with a quick attempting his three. Now Bam Lopez again para sa pabandang tira. Bam Christian Pajarito. Now 10 Baate to Nem De La Cruz attempting his three. This time is good. Now 10 Baate to Richard Belches to CJ Antonio. No good sa libreng tira ni CJ. Now Nem De La Cruz with a back-to-back. And now Nem De La Cruz attempting the street. Nem De La Cruz. CJ Antonio. Faking side CJ Pataba. And now Jayman Palyari to Juji Halyari. Tinaasan lang ng kamay ni Frank Iloga. And now Boy Boy Yaksub. And ang ating score is 7-7, 8-1. And now meron foul na naman. Boy Boy Yaksub. Now Boy Boy Yaksub. But meron foul against Boy Boy Yaksub. Nem De La Cruz. Crossover. Pasa sa ilan. CJ Antonio. What a power. Now Boy Boy Yaksub. But meron foul. Let's see kung may papasok ni Boy Boy ang kanyang second attempt. One out of now. CJ Antonio. Juji Halyari. Now Boy Boy Yaksub. The possession to Cash Prince. Now Jayman Palyari for the win. No! Napulap pa ni Boy Boy Yaksub but still no good for Boy Boy.